In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum. From Al-Qur'an Institute today, I will show you how easily you can find your enrolled course materials, such as videos, PDFs, and quizzes from our website. Before starting, let me say, some of our students face a bit of difficulty joining the live classes due to the time differences of different countries. However, there is no reason to worry. In our popular self-study course, you can study independently at your convenient time and place. You already have access to our website. Please log in and select your chosen course. Now let us return again to our main goal on how to start the live or self-study course. 1. First of all, you have to enter the Al-Qur'an Institute website from any browser. For that, I am opening Google Chrome and entering the website alquraninstitute.net. 2. After entering the AQI website, you will see such an interface. Then, at the top right corner, click here and log in to your account. 3. After logging in, you will see such an interface. 4. Then at the top right corner, the dashboard is showing. Click on that dashboard. 5. After clicking Dashboard, click My Courses on the left side. 6. After clicking My Courses, all the courses you have enrolled in will show here. 7. Now the course you want to do, under the name of that course, click Go to Classroom. 8. After clicking Go to Classroom, you will see such an interface. Here on the left side you will see all the lessons of your course, such as Lesson 1, 2, 3, 4, and so all the lessons will be there. 9. When you click Go to Classroom, among the lessons shown here, Lesson 1 will be clicked by default. The video PDF and quizzes of Lesson 1 will show here. 10. When you click on the video, your video will play. Next to the video, you will see the PDF. If you click here, the PDF of Lesson 1 will show. Then next to the PDF, there are quizzes. After you finish Lesson 1's video and PDF, you will give the quizzes. 11. Now I will show you how to submit the quiz. When you click on Quiz, the quizzes of this lesson will appear. Surely you will give the quiz only after properly studying the video and the PDF. Then you will definitely understand which is the correct answer, but without checking all this, I am just clicking any option and submitting to show you. After submitting, it shows which of my answers were correct and which were wrong. And above it also shows how many marks I got. See, I got 80%, that means I passed. If I got less than 60%, then I would fail, and here the retake button would appear. I am attempting the quiz again to show you. Now I got 20% marks. Our pass mark is 60%, that means I have failed, so I will have to conduct this course again. After passing with 60% marks, you will go to Lesson 2. 12. Going to Lesson 2, you will finish the video, PDF, and quizzes in the same way. Then you will go to Lesson 3. In this way, after you finish all your lessons, you will automatically receive a certificate, Insha'Allah. I hope you will not have any problem finding your course lessons. Still, if anyone faces any problem, we have a support team. Please contact us. We will make every effort to help you, Insha'Allah. May Allah bless you all in this world and the hereafter. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.